Hello everyone, welcome to the Tip for You DIY channel. In this video I share with you how to replace the oscillating gearbox of an electric fan from a gearbox to a slow rotating motor using the same 120 volt current. As you know, almost all electric fans are equipped with this gearbox because my fan has a broken oscillating gearbox, so I came up with an idea to replace them, and now let's see how I do it. Good and meaningful video. Please give me one like, one channel subscription, and share it with all your relatives and friends to know and do it effectively. The most important part in this part is the slow rotating motor, and we can make the bracket ourselves at home. The most important thing now is that the holes for screw installation must be standard or drilled a little wider for easy assembly. Please pay attention to the installation and wiring so that our fan will run as stably as possible. This video also recommends that everyone be more careful with electricity. The risk of fatal electric shock is very high. Please click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications of the latest videos. Thank you very much.